So over here is our first spring. This is Columbia Spring, and Columbia Spring is a second magnitude spring. It is actually quite tough to paddle up because it is a second magnitude stream, and magnitudes with springs tell you something about how much water is coming out at a given time. So for Columbia, there's only a couple springs that are first magnitude, and so this is a pretty big one. And as a result, it's actually pretty tough to get up it. We may try, but I've only had one student actually make it up in my 5 times of going through this class. If you want to pay attention to Columbia Springs, Columbia Spring is also known as Columbia Rise. And so Columbia Rise is so named because it's where the river rises back out. Now a spring and a rise are similar because they're both where water comes out of the ground. But in one case, spring is groundwater and a rise is surface water that's gone under and has suddenly started to come back out. So Columbia Spring or Rise, sometimes Columbia is a spring and it actually has clear blue water, and other times it's a rise when it's just river water. Right now, it looks like it's just river water. All right, so another thing to note here is the temperature of the water. And so we've noted already the color. The color coming out is brown because Columbia is a rise at this point instead of a spring. It is where the river has gone under and is coming back out. But in this case, the temperature of the river is a pretty nice, probably 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And looking at it and feeling the temperature of the Columbia, it's about 80 as well. So it is the temperature of the river. Now, a difference is that if we have spring water, it will be sort of the average temperature of Florida, which around here is about 72. And so that can be very distinct during seasons of springs being nice and warm while the river is cold, or in the summer when the river is warmer and the springs are cold. And so in this case, this is all river water all the way down, and that's what we're looking at.